I call this a friendly exercise. This is when you take very detailed notes on what you're hearing, and then go back and try to record yourself based on what you written down the notes. Did you write down a flat T or the way words link together? After you record yourself, compare it to the original. Compare it to the original. Do you do everything that you wanted to do? In this video, we're going to take notes together. First, the whole text. One of my favorite things to do. One of my favorite things to do with a free day is to ride my bike. Sometimes you ride along the Hudson River or in Central Park, and sometimes you'll go visit my friends in Brooklyn. Now let's study it. One of my favorite things to do with a free day is to ride my bike. Sometimes you ride along the Hudson River or Central Park, and sometimes you go visit my friends in Brooklyn. I hope this have given you some ideas on how to take notes and study speech of native speakers. Do this on your own. Take video and audio clips that interest you or that have topics that are important to your field work. After you take good notes, record a test yourself and compare to the original recording. That do you still need to work on, or what did you do well? This is a great way to improve your pronunciation. That's it, and thanks so much for using Rachel's English. We are witnessing a human tragedy as an example in Venezuela. More than 2 million people have fled the anguish inflicted by the socialist Maduro regime, regime and its Cuban sponsors. Not long ago, Venezuela was one of the richest countries on earth. Today, socialism has bankrupted the oil-rich nation, the oil-rich nation, and driven its people into abject poverty. Virtually everywhere socialism or communism has been tried has produced suffering, corruption, and decay. Socialism's thirst for power leads to expansion, incursion, and oppression. All nations of the world should resist socialism and the misery that brings to everyone. Okay.